You probably think this is a regular building video, but it's not. We've been keeping a very large secret from you. I'm on Netflix!
Yay!
A while back, Netflix saw what I do here on this channel and reached out to me to be on this new reality TV show. The premise of the show is you take one baker and one engineer and they form a team called Bakineers. And they create these wonderful, beautiful things that are beyond your wildest imagination. However, the catch, or the caveat, depending on what term you prefer, is that this is their first time working together. So, of course, hilarity ensues. The show is called Baking Impossible, and the first 6 episodes are dropping on Netflix on October 6th. The later episodes are dropping the following week on October 13th. If you're wondering what kind of things that will be made, imagine an edible boat that floats, an edible mini golf course, or an edible skyscraper that must withstand a simulated quake. Think of things along this line, and that's your imagination. So Netflix flew me out. I got to film the show and do a lot of really cool things. It was really cool meeting these people and like building stuff and finally talk about it. So why did Netflix call me? Well, they see that I build stuff. We built the blast shield, which hides our TV and was also the first project in the house. This is my personal design. Look at that. Dremel and accessories. This table has flames, so we named it accordingly. It is the flame table. We made it, and it's perfect for marshmallows. We made everything that's orange in the shop. Come on! Of course, we can't forget the secret door that hides the secret laundry room. They built the Dome of Destiny. It looks like a 1930s stock ticker, but it also answers your deepest, most darkest questions, but only if they're yes or no. 28. Made this dinosaur that won the hearts of everyone in the neighborhood. We even won a major award. Built this 3 foot by 3 foot table that houses 2,150 compasses. And these coasters that have magnets in them. So the compasses follow. The Aileron shard that tells us when the garage door is open. Also my very first soldering project in the 7th grade. Made this cool shelf that has LEDs that light up. I made the puzzler, the puzzling kitchen dinner table with removable panels. There's a secret ingredient. The secret ingredient is puzzles. I made this beautiful picture frame for this awesome photo of me and my family. It also lets us know when a package has arrived by our eyes lighting up. And we did this by legitimately stabbing out the eyes of my family. With love. We made the techno desk. This is one of 3. There's so many things that this thing does. You have a party light that is currently painting the ceiling as I talk. There's a shredder. There's a weather radio. There's an actual antique speaker. There's wall outlets. This thing will reset your Wi-Fi if you needed to. There's a place to even store your umbrellas. There's so much more that this thing does. It is the pinnacle of everything that I have made. It is my favorite thing that we have ever made. But that's all stuff I've built in the past. But on October 6th, you're gonna see what I built on Netflix. We're talking TV, television, network, a synonym. So why did Netflix call me? Well, it's really thanks to you. For liking and subscribing and watching the videos. They never would have found the channel if there wasn't already traction happening. So, thank you. Like, for real. I got the chance to be on a global streaming service thanks to you watching our silly YouTube videos. Like, what a crazy thing to have happen. I think about this all the time, and I just, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. The first 6 episodes of Baking Impossible premiere on October 6th. The later episodes are premiering on October 13th. But you're gonna see me on Netflix! And I can be on whatever TV, laptop, computer, insert device name here. I can't wait for you to see it. So now the big secret is out. I'm gonna be on Netflix. You're gonna see me on Netflix. But if you wanna see me build other stuff, that's what this whole YouTube channel has. You can check the description and below for all the videos that you saw of like we built this and this and this. But thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Watch other videos, watch this one again, or have a lovely rest of your day. However it works out, thank you. Tune in on October 6th on Netflix. I don't have confetti this time because my hands are empty.